For the system of equations shown, for what value of a is there a unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? So, just looking at equation 1 and equation 3, I can see that if a is -1, these two planes will be parallel and there'll be no solution. But I just want to go further than that with part A and actually do some algebra. So I can get rid of the y's here by adding equations 1 and 2. That gives me 3x plus 2z is equal to 3. I can get rid of y's here by subtracting. So equation 2 take away equation 3 gives me 3x, the y's disappear, and then I get z take away az. So that's z into 1 take away a, and that's going to be equal to -9. Now if I call this one equation 4 and this one equation 5, if I do 4 take away 5, I get rid of the x's. So that's 2z take away z into 1 take away a is equal to 3 take away -9. 3 plus 9 is 12. So 2z take away z plus az is 12. 2z take away z is a single z. So we can have z into 1 plus a is equal to 12. Now clearly here, if we were to take a equal to -1, we would have z times 0 equals 12, and you can't have a solution. So it's just like I said up here with the parallel plane, that if a is equal to -1, we can't have a solution. But clearly any other value of a would give us z times something which isn't 0 equals 12, and we can find a value for z for that, which means we can come back up here and find a value for x, and then go back to the original equations and find a value for y. So we can get a unique solution provided a is not equal to -1. From my analysis, I would say there's no way that we can find infinitely many solutions for this situation. Now in part B, we want to solve if a is 3. Well, I'm just going to use what I've done already. I've got z, 1 plus a equals 12. So if we take a is equal to 3, that's saying that 4z equals 12, and therefore z equals 3. Substitute back into this equation, so sub in 4. And if z is 3, that's 3x plus 6 equals 3. That would give us that x is equal to -1. And then substitute all of that into 1. And we've got -1, add y, add 3 equals 2. So that's y plus 2 equals 2, and therefore y would be 0